Hello. Okie dokie. Let's get this day. I see it's already been going. It's already kind of been running away, but that's okay. That's okay. We are here early to now mark out everything we got to mark out. Ba-do-ba-do. Rashan? How you doing? How's it been going? I would say long time no see, but I guess longish time no see. Here we go. Okay. I am organized? Question mark. I'm kind of organized. We'll go with I'm kind of organized, and we're just gonna go. Okay. Only thing missing was this. Damn, you're looking good. Are you going on a date? No. This is just my workout outfit actually, but anyways, I appreciate that. That was very, very sweet of you. Now this is just my workout outfit. I was doing some exercise. This is a gym shirt. But I appreciate that. Okie dokie. Now we are ready.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up, Dolly? I'm good, kind of down by 7. Damn, Rashan, what the heck, man? What happened? How did you? What? How? just how? I feel like that's all I need to ask right now. Just how did that happen? Crazy job. Hey, Temple, what's up? I know I'm busy looking at this, going okay. But anywho, let's do this. Let's mark out all the important bits. Sally, what's up? Did you manage to get a trade in yesterday or me? No, wait. I was corrected. Is the style. Gonna have it like that. Okay, so that's marked out. Now I need midnight. This is yesterday's midnight. Okay. Midnight. Awesome sauce. New weekly opening gap is still insane. Okie dokie. That. Let's mark out yesterday's New York high and low. Okay, well, New York low. Oh, all the way down here. Cool. Cool. Just cool. Okay, we've got equalizer and underlow down there. That's me. Awesome. Like I said, apologies. I'm just quickly marking out everything. Asia high over here. Asia low has already been taken out. Awesome. And now London is begin. Okie dokie. Let's do this thing. Temporal, you just woke up? What do you mean you just woke up? It's like 10 in the morning. Not in loss, even though I'm not in profit. That's okay though. Temporal, we good. We good. I'm trying to be super positive. Nice to see we're not going sideways. Although it's a little bit scary that it's not going sideways during Asia. But anyways, Sally, did you stream this? Sally, did you trade this or not really? Anyone that's just popped on?
Hi.
Yeah, Roshan, I made a oopsie yesterday, but that's okay. It is what it is. It happens. Okay, sorry, I'm just also now wanting to check. I'm a little bit scared to say so far so good, but looking at this, this could potentially be a decent day. Potentially, let's see. Let's not get too excited just yet. Let's reset this. This mamma drama. Right here. Cool. Let's now check. Let's do daily. Okay, yeah, did fill that gap. Awesome. Daily gap was filled. Now we go down. Okay. Bears are in play. Off-grid trader, what's up, chick? Hi. How's it going? The risk model, hi. What's up? I was at the hospital with mom. I just got back. Is your mom okay? Solly, are you good? Man, you did because this human. Maybe you shouldn't be trading if you haven't been sleeping properly. Just a wild. Well, I actually can't say that because if all traders lived by that, we would never trade. We never sleep properly. I am convinced that sleep is just not a thing that happens for traders. But anyways, let's check the 4 hour. Before-ish, the 50% of the last 1 hour candle at the bottom. Peter Parker with it. Cool, good for you. Moving on. Fine, last time go a little bit better result on NQ, so still profit. Whoop whoop, that's amazing, check. Well done. Proud. Whoop whoop for the wins. Two 5103 relative equal highs created on the 4 hour. See, we're about to tap in here. Oh, let's just keep an eye out here. These are, yeah, pretty relative equal lows. Okay, I must keep an eye on this 4 hour. This 4 hour is quite juicy with a lot of potential. Be taken. That being said, this 4 hour still kind of looks like it's just going sideways. It just broke up, well, broke above, and is now just back in this range, which kind of sucks. But anyways, let's now see 1 hour. Oh my gosh. Okay, 25102. That's gonna be chaotic. 25102. I must just make note of that. 25102. Cool, 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 cool. Let's see how it respects here. Yeah, 80, awesome. 1 hour, let's check the 15-minute now. Did not respect this as much as I thought it would. Would have taken me out if I'd been in that. Anyways. 15-minute is slowly going down. We want to see it start going up. We're at the bottom of the range on NQ, and I'm not convinced we'll really get bearish. Really? Why is that, check? Hey DK, what's up? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How's it going? The blue can what? I don't know about. Will I sleep properly? I mean, I didn't give my setup in the condition. I'm gonna just give me a heads up that. Hey, your setup's here. Oh, that's cool though. Finally, yesterday we go up. Yeah. For a little bit. Just take a short or go down again, and one more thing. Okay. We go to the last lower. What you doing? Hey, proven chords. How you doing? You missed the bullish move on gold yesterday. You missed a big time. No! What happened? What happened in gold? See if it's going to reject off with that little bit of an order block over there, but I think this is just going to keep going down now. Okay, 5 minute. Uno memento. And by memento, I mean minute. Okay. Sorry, I'm just marking out these equal highs because that's a very juicy freaking point of interest up there. If it breaks above that, that'll be awesome. Is it gonna though? Let's see. Okay, so let's now go, let's mark out the 3 a.m. open right here. 3 a.m. opening range. Okay, let's not rush into anything like I did yesterday. Wait for confirmations. Like I said, so far, this seems to be respecting well. Let's hope it continues. Damn, I kind of wish I traded Asia session now, but that's okay. Maybe London still gives us something good, right? He's scared for the implications. Logic would say that they would move the money to their precious metals or stock. I mean, that makes sense. Went up over 1K. 1K! Damn. If Europe pushed around a little 1 hour, we'll see where Europe wants to go to 100% bob level now or next bob level down. Yeah, let's see. So I don't know why I said yeah like that. Let's see what this does here. So better on the 5 minute. I'm not taking this. I've learned my lesson from yesterday, right? Gotta learn from your losses. Don't jump into things. Patience. Promises, but only have 23 days of diesel in the country, but it turned into Mad Max. Damn, sorry, that is... Wait, you only have 23 days of diesel in the country? That's a little bit insane. To be fair, South Africa's also kind of here, like... But do you know what's wild? One of my friends is living out there, and they sent me, like, videos of the missiles just leaving, and I was like, this doesn't feel like this should be a reality that we live in right now. Shout out to David. David! What the heck? You're all quiet and sneaky there. Shout out to David for the dono. Absolute. Amazing. Wait, I wanted to do something. No, where are they? There we go. This is for David. You get specific special fireworks for the donation. Because you're special. Mad love, thank you. Ooh, my pillow moved. I was trying to trade at the hospital on my phone, but I couldn't get into my zone. I would nicely drink a coffee and wait a little. Coffee! Let's do this! Attention. Oil prices are going up. No. What's up? How you doing? This is nothing. It's going to get more intense. The reality would be much weirder in the next coming months. Really? Yeah, David, that was rough. That was pretty rough. But yeah, it was good. Rough, but good. And I have no sugar today, which means, gosh, no milk, no sugar. pure darkness, like my soul. That is what this coffee is today. I love it. Let's do this. Pineapple be special. Oh, they opened Pandora's box, yeah. A little bit. So wait. 9:30. It did tap into this order block here, hey? Yeah, okay. Rejection off of that order block. On the higher time frame, it's obviously cleaner. I'm just checking, seeing what's up. Okay, let's wait for confirmation now. Like I said, don't do anything dumb. Just don't do anything dumb. I just fogged up my glasses. Hey Obito, what's up? How you doing? You have 2 liters of iced coffee. Why? Why do you have so much? Mark out the low on the 1 hour. 450. I already got it. Yeah. Don't worry, I got all these lows marked out. It's already marked out. They all sorted. Naturally watch this one work out because I did no, that's negative, right? Can't be a negative Nancy over here. Technically 4 liters, but 2's in the fridge. Why? Ooh. To be fair, I used to just drink black coffee, but still really good. Okay, anyways. Jackie, what's up? How are you going? That's your area. Have to be patient. Yep. Trading journey, smart look. Thanks. Blacklist, and you can compare that. Oh, it's written. I actually have watched the. I didn't finish it. It was annoying. I get really annoyed with characters really easily, and if they annoy me too much, I just stop watching. Anyways, so yeah, it just annoyed me too much. But I did start. It was really good in the beginning, and then yeah, that actress got super irritating. How he reacts at that level is where we make up at that level, but that could only hit like tomorrow. Is that what you're waiting for, Temporal? Or are you waiting for it to go back there? Manifesting big wins today. Aw, Robocop. Let's see, I now actually need to wait for confirmation that Asia wasn't the movement. London's just maybe gonna be consolidation, and then the momentum's gonna come during New York. Let's see, maybe not. Maybe this is gonna work and we're gonna continue having a push. If this starts to go sideways, oh my gosh. But let's wait and see. Gonna sit on my hands until we get confirmation. Let's not rush like I did yesterday. Rushing bad. Don't rush. So Dom, you're in? Okay, you posted it on Discord. Let's see. Damn, okay. Dom's in short, let's see. TPS at what? 525-ish. 525. Okay. Let's see, Dom. Usually they'll fake it up by running deeper down and then doing a reversal. If it doesn't hit, it will run the high and drop further down. Shame, David. Yeah, it must be tough being a parent. Must say, don't think that's in the cards me, but who knows? I think the next hour will chop here, and I think it'll push back up. I think New York will go potentially back up. What generally, obviously not all the time, but what I have noticed is generally if Asia's moving, London continues that movement and New York can then be the reversal. Again, not always. Hey, am I an ICT trader? I use ICT concepts. But again, draw a box, let it break out and follow. US futures down 1.08%. 450-ish level. I don't even know that was a previous new low. I'm just looking at the structure. No, that's true, temporal. Like I said, but that's why I mark out everything, because those are key areas, right? There's a lot of liquidity sitting there, and they are definitely key areas. If they haven't been taken out, I mean, down here are equal lows and a London low. This is also a really good, what's this, 477 level is a really good sell side liquidity area. I wonder where Muddy's gone. Haven't seen Muddy. Well, I didn't see him yesterday and he's not here today. But yeah, I wonder if Muddy's okay. Probably too quickly. Now patience. Hey yo, Debbie. What's up? How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
So, backtest that theory, Europe lately negates the whole Asia move. Exactly. But that's why I'm saying it seems that Asia and London kind of... It really does feel like either Asia moves and then London consolidates, or Asia consolidates and London moves. But they tend to move in one direction. And then New York comes and goes and just reverses and clubs them. Again, this is just speculative. I obviously haven't backtested it, so check you are correct. I need to go and backtest that. My music, Gen X, what are you trading right now? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How are you doing? How are they going? There's too many variables to say that these autos events happen consistently. Oh no, never consistently. But someone did mention, I was like, it's a valid point. The sessions tend to work in that way of one has momentum, one has consolidation, and one has, not reversal, I'm messing this up. This is gonna accumulation, consolidation, momentum. Nope. Nope. Butchered that. Been hearing this all day from two kids. That's not fun, David. That's Federation Asian move is done, and the question is Europe agrees with it. Hey, Carls, what's up? Debbie, thank you. Manipulation. That's it. I was like, I'm butchering this. Dom, we are in profit. Whoop whoop. Hey, Dom, nice. Oh, so this actually would have been a winning trade. Would have messed with me a little bit there, but would have been a win, so that's good. Okie dokie, so back down into Bob level. Let's see how this reacts now. Don't rush into things. How reactive for this level is key. 1, 2, 3. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Oh damn, this looks good. This looks good on the 5-minute as well. If it comes back up. Shoot. Okay, again, do not rush. This could just be a fake out. Wait for confirmation. Best believe I will leave a runner down to New York. No, okay, it's just running away without me. Bob to Bob. I need to see how this reacts here. That's happening. Okay, let's see. If broke, they'll protect 1-1. Kitty cats, what's up? Look at Discord. If you want to enter here, then you should be looking for longs by at the bottom. Check why longs. It broke now. Let's check the 5-minute for confirmation. So it now broke below this order block. So I guess it is in a little bit of a support level, but this New York low is right below. If I drew it properly. New York low is right below. There's some relative equal lows there. It hasn't tapped into here yet. There's still a little bit more that needs to be taken out. We indeed have continuation. I have order block, awesome. Let's see, I just have to watch how it reacts. If it reacts strongly off of this bob level, no, but... Shoot, I need to draw. Steady here. Wait, let me watch this reaction off of here. So I'm watching this price action when it comes to this level. Oh wait, on the 1 minute. Oh shoot. No, that's decent price action coming off of that level. Let's watch this wick. Okay. Oh, it might not come up high enough. Am I a scalper? I am a scalper. For 12 hours, you calculate for percent of 24-hour fractal. Wedding? Son? What about wedding? Agree, but you're trying to catch a falling knife. I don't think so. A falling knife is when it completely runs away without you. It's not completely running away without me. Falling knife is when there's just momentum and you're trying to catch anything. Here it's been retesting the whole time during Asia. That's why I drew that, because it has been retesting, it has been respecting. I am watching these wicks off of the bob level though. That is what I'm watching very closely. Basic quantum, what pair? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? You're waiting for a bounce at 606. And same at this New York low, basically, right? Wicked, but not as much as I would like to see it. NAS 100, yep. Micros. I hear you, I hear you. Especially because it messed around a little bit here. Let's see. Oh, it's right at the level. Shoot. Well, okay then. Missed me by a few ticks. Well, a few ticks. Entry was the 50% of this fair value gap here. But starts rejecting back off of this bob level. Yeah, man. Yeah, no, that is accurate right now, David. Correct idea, just missed. Damn. Five on three Ricardo. What? I'm trading futures? What? See, now it's a little bit too much of a rejection. Let's see, respected the 50% of that. If I closed it and it was still a valid trade, I'm gonna be so angry. I'm gonna be so angry. I'm gonna stop the stream right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, I am trying so hard to not be sassy and to be nice.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even
See how it reacts at
thinking this way?
680-ish. Sure, respecting the heck out of bob level. I mean, decent rejections, but, not the move you want to see it make. And entering down. Okay, if this hits your TP, then respect. Thanks, Jack. I appreciate it. I do agree it is bouncing off of this bob level quite a bit, though. This is now making me... You can see the sellers want to come into play, but the buyers are actually not letting them right now. That's why I kind of said this now does not feel super valid. Let's see, though. I'm waiting also to see how it reacts here. If this hits my TP and I backed out of it, I'm gonna be... Hey Victor, what's up? How you doing? Protect with a few points in profit from 675 to 695 ish the range. Oh, dumb, because it was respecting this too much. This is gonna hit TP. Because naturally I overthought it. As I do. There we go. Check, I closed it. I'm not in this. Maya, jump back in and see if it tags you. Nah, David, there's no point. It's fine. And TP would have been hit there. Awesome. That's so much fun. Okay, well, there's the confirmation I needed that it is indeed respecting the levels I want to see it respect, so that's good. Can't be upset about a mistrade. Can't be upset about a mistrade. It's good that you got your confirmation. Shut up, David. So does that then mean I get respect check? Yeah, see? Would have hit TP nicely. Full TP would have been London low there. There we go. Like I said, full TP would have been... Oh, sorry, not London, no. New... London, no. Hey, Maya, would you like your strategy as a bot? I'm curious, Debbie. Don't get me wrong. I'm super curious.
Why
Oh, this
are
thing
you
is so
even
itchy.
thinking this way?
Oh, David's having way too much fun. Okay, well, confirmation that down is the way to go, so that's cool, that's cool. Sorry, I'm being awfully quiet. I don't think the coffee is hit just yet. We're going, let's just see. Fair Value Caps really nicely today. I have my bob level there as well. Nope, running away. Ooh, if it retests here, that would be quite nice. I don't think it's going to, but if it does, it would be quite nice. Right into New York low. Full TP. Solid full TP. So that's where I would have left my runner to. Okay, New York low has now been taken, so let's just wait for confirmation. Is this now going to continue further down? Is this going to retest? If it does retest, it could retest further back up. Mikuwabe, how come you didn't trade the last two ranges? I was not here early enough for this range, and this range I had it set up. But analysis paralysis got the best of me. Mikuwabe. Oh, flip. Okay, wait, what does a 5 minute look like? Okay, sorry, I pulled a face because I don't think it's gonna go as high up as I would like to see it go up. Just looking at the 5 minute. The order block there, I think this might just continue back down to the next bob level. We're doing bob to bob. This might just go straight back down to the next bob level. Rejection off of this bob level could be seen. Everything you look for, one stable, I'll send it to you so you have your own indicator strategy. Hey, Davey, I'll send you a message on Discord. That's very cool. Drop the beat, drop the Nasdaq. Hey, Ethan, how you doing? Okay, ranges are being respected. Did just take out New York low. This could go a little bit higher. What do we got? Let's zoom out quickly. Let's check the 5 minute. Okay. Okay. It's just taking that out. That's cool. That's cool. It's a decent amount of sell side liquidity that's just been taken. Like sell and close laptop. Apparently there's supposed to be lunar eclipse in New Zealand tonight. That's cool. Two 592. Yeah. Broken 472 could be your target. Robocop ride the wave via channel you in a horse girl. I love that. Oh, that just says also a blood moon. What? You're the pharaoh? That's cool, I think. I think that's cool. I actually do not know. I'm gonna go with that's cool. Okay, this could be a support level. Let's see how this looks. How's this look on the 15-minute? Not bad. No proper fair value gaps on the 15-minute except for... No, even there. Meh. Okay. This is actually quite nice price action for my strategy today. If I just listen to myself. You know when you want to... Scream. I got a twitch. I literally got a twitch in my arm. Okay, moving on. Solly what? That sounded dark as heck. Is this futures? Yes, this is futures. What's up? How's everyone doing? Yeah, why is there so much angry in the... There's so much angry in the chat today. Is everyone okay? What's happening? Why angry? What's up? Good rejection of the bob level, but hit that support zone solidly. Isn't tapped back down into... Damn, okay. Okie dokie. Oh my goodness! Is that actual news or are you being silly? I have no idea. Good grief, guys. Are you guys good? Damn.
Emotional damage.
I know! Brandon, me and you are both here like... No, actually, do you know what we should be here like? We should actually just sit here and just eat our popcorn. Next impulse coming. Hey Hammer, what's up? How you doing? How's it moving? Funky. Okay. I'm not gonna set this one for one reason and one reason only. It took out so much sell side liquidity. On ES, this could actually be a good trade. Damn. It hit quite a few points on took out quite... Oh my gosh! Why is my brain malfunctioning? Seriously. Anyways, let's continue. Hammer, you good? Only good? What's up? You okay? I'm getting funky since the storm. Okay, so the reason for not taking this is it just took out a bunch of sell side liquidity, so I expect a bit of a deeper retracement. Let's put it that way. bit of a deeper retracement to happen here. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe this just taps in perfectly and continues, but then I then know for the next retracement that it's probably going to be a goodie, so that's okay. At least there's sound logic for not taking this one. Okay, moving on. Can we get that in English, please? I don't know. I don't think I'm capable of English anymore. Apparently it's done. I mean, yeah, I'm good. Just checking markets. Done for the day. Done for the day? What do you mean done for the day? Have you taken your trade and you're in? Damn. Wait. Checking to see if people are okay here. I'm grumpy. Hi. Ooh, relatable. Today apparently. Anyways. Any tips for beginner forex traders? Currently got 200 on my Meta 5 trader. Ooh. Well, I'm actually not a forex trader, but is it much? I'm assuming it's different, right? Also, what are you trading? Day trader, swing trader, investor? What's your thing? Grumpy? Bearish downside movement loading. Yep. Dennis, what's up? Yep, won my trade, did my target. Nice. I know what's gonna happen. I'm now gonna try and get in, and then I'm gonna do something stupid, and like I do. Oh, I'm being salty. Oh, I'm being salty. It's already Tuesday. I can't be so salty and so grumpy on a Tuesday. Oh, I'm such an old lady. Solly, you win. I am definitely an old lady. Good grief. Day trader, nice. So Hammer says Forex is harder in his opinion. Why is that, Hammer? Well, this is fun. This is fun for me. Super trendy, add a little spice to the retracement. Definitely continuation from my perspective. Shorter period retest of the previous equal lows. That'll be the third retest on hour 4. More than just 200 for futures, at least 1k. Grumpy, not necessarily. I say not necessarily because if you're trading props, not necessarily. Okay, well, that do be a confirmation if I did ever freaking see one. Okay. Except it's gotten a little bit volatile right now. Why are we being extra? Is there a reason we're being extra? No, did just take this out, but is there anything extra? Not necessarily. Did respect this pretty nicely. Let's see, you would want to see it come back down into there. Okay. I'll also need to check the 5-minute time frame. Quick sticks. Okay, let me check the higher time frames. Ooh, on the 5-minute, this is pretty solid. Okay, 5-minute, this is pretty solid. Let's check here. Did it take this out? It did take this out, but it did not tap into anything extra. Nope. Okay, it's not going to come and retest. Once it taps into this, might have to take a little step back. Let's see. 2450 still keen. Hasn't quite tapped in there just yet. Let's check the 15-minute. Okay. This has now created more fair value gaps further up. Is this just dropping? Kind of. Took out that sell side, took out that sell side. I think we're just gonna keep going down, down, down. Interesting. Okay, back to the one. Let's see. Is it A plus? Between the bob level, which is pretty decent as well. Okie dokie. Oh, I've missed. Okay, Mike the Goat, what's up? It's super trendy there. A little spice to the retracement, definitely continuation reflected. Maybe more than just 200 meters, at least 1k. Like wind up. DVD. Instead of it. Sales movement, yep. No, let's get some candles. Let's just add up improvements since then, but still. Kidoki. Wow. Okay. Tapped in there. Let's see how it reacts off of that level. And this level. Equal lows and London lows seem to be the draw. Continuing with this full range. That being said, shoot. That's not great. Rejection off of there. What did it hit? Because that was a very big spike in rejection. Did it hit that fair value gap? Yep. And that order block. And this is where it was its reversal point the other day. Okay. Gonna watch how it reacts off of this bob level now. There is a huge rejection. I might not be so keen on this. 1, 2, 3. I do still have 3, but just the stop loss is a little bit close. Oh, make Wi-Fi, I love it. Debbie P, if you're hurting, you're exercising. Why do men push themselves that hard that they're in pain afterwards? To be fair, I love doing that. But that's also just because I'm weird, so. It is what it is. Tapped into this level at the same time. Let's see if it's going to reject properly or not. Please don't say this was the damn range. No, it didn't take out this range. This should come back up a little bit more. I apologize. I see I'm not really actually part of the chit chat today, which is kind of weird. Also, I guess a good thing that I'm paying attention. I've not seen how it reacts off of these levels. Solid rejection. Shoot. Okay, well, sellers are still not letting the buyers take control here. Hey, Indy, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up, Debbie? I didn't mean too much. I used to be super physical, so nothing really used to affect me in the general work, but... Mikuwabe, what did you used to do? Sounds awesome. That's all for today. Look at Discord. Whoop whoop, Dom! This is for Dom. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Do you have your series set? What, Bob? Huh? Market likes to fade my wishes, Robocop. Robocop, the problem is, right? That yes and no. I should have been in on this whole move, but it's okay. Since he was 16, he also says no pain, no gains all the time. Yeah, I'm a little bit like that. I'm not even gonna deny it. I'm a little bit like that. I'm very much the no pain, no gain. Like I said, that's why I even got a machine to help and increase my muscle activation to 90% of its capability. And it works really well. Oh, thanks, Bob. Appreciate it. But dark screen is difficult to read. I utterly disagree. Oh my goodness, I cannot stand the light screen. It hurts my eyes too much. Thanks, Temporal. Enjoy. Is this not just a little bear flag? Like I said, I don't like where the stop loss is on the 5-minute chart. This rejection off of there is not ideal. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Oh, I'm getting analysis paralysis again. I'm overthinking this, but it did also take out so much sell-side liquidity. Yeah, no one thought it was that except for you, David, but yes, I am talking about that machine. Minutes to go up. Wait, what time is it? 4. Well, 10 minutes to 4. The close is above. You do want to see it come back down, take out the low. Okay. Oh, thanks, Brandon. Enjoy. Widescreen is bad for your eyes, especially if you're watching markets constantly. Thanks, Debbie. Okay. Still painted for the industry. So much the cars industrial I used to. Good grief, Mikawabe. That's insane. That is ridiculous. Does it count that I have like a 5 to 800 kilogram animal like dragging me around that I have to try and be like, nope, stop that. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Check your weight until USA. Enjoy the Europe. Thank you. I don't even remember that far back, to be fair. I don't even remember that far back. It feels way too long ago. When did I get it? Oh, I got it December time. If it was like a birthday present. To be fair, still love it. Still use it. I did biceps and back on Sunday. Okay. Sure, I am being extra quiet today. Sorry, guys. I think I'm very upset with myself for, this sounds bad, but for listening to people and closing my trade, but it's okay. Hey, Lulu, what's up? Target looks like yesterday's lows. It already took out yesterday. Oh, London's low. Never mind. I was about to be like, wait. Yes. London's low from yesterday. Get me wrong, we had forklifts, but sometimes you just could use them so they could see people trying to lift this just enough to hang it up. Victor, you think that there's still 40 points left to the downside? You think it's gonna go take out that New York low? Do you think this is just a solid freaking bear flag happening right now? Possibly. This looks like it's... Oh, no, still a bit of a rejection off of that level. I'm watching both the levels on ES and NQ. I now have the levels for ES, which is probably a good and a bad thing, because now I'm going to be like, very fixated on it. What is this machine, Maya? I'll be the judge of this. Have you heard of EMS? Electromyostimulation? Can't trade, broker servers down, can only watch. No! Which broker do you use? Negative, all stock Australia is on the line. Damn, son. Uh, 6-7. 6-8. So you think this is going further down, Yvonne? I think buy. Oh, this is interesting. This is interesting. Okay, so we got like a bit of a 50-50 going on here. Some people think the buys are now in play. Others believe this is still going to go short to take out some more liquidity. I think the buyers wanted to start taking control, but the sellers are just not letting them. That's just what I think. What I suspect. At least, so maybe this will be a slow grind down, but looks like the sellers wanted to take control and the sellers just... No, the buyers wanted to take control and the sellers just kind of went, nope. Never forget to eat because of trading so much. Andy, yeah, I tend to only actually eat dinner. Market's still down from WM range. Buyers are going to get steamrolled. Oh, Brandon, I love it. 6751 can hold. Interesting. It's very slow down is okay. We can see pull back to zone, Bob level up. Let's see. Hey Professor Jamie, what's up? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. For anyone that has just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you guys are all doing amazing. Sorry I look salty. I didn't take this awesome trade. Literally this would have wicked in and gone down. Literally had it set up and everything and I closed because I'm an idiot. It's okay. Electromyostimulation. So literally it contracts your muscles to 90% of their capability. It essentially helps the mind to muscle connection. It's a very weird Do you want me to show you guys? Let's see, if this starts to go sideways and I can't get a trade and I can go and get it and I can show you guys what it does. It basically contracts your muscles for you. I think I've used it on my legs before. Yeah, so down here in South Africa, there's like Body 20 and Body Tech. No, Body Tech I think is an all over the world company. Body Tech, have you heard of Body Tech? I actually don't know. Body Tech just South Africa. I think Body 20 is just South Africa. I think Body Tech is worldwide. Yeah, there we go. And what did you think of it, Mikuave? I basically have a little machine that does the same thing. I do options trading from 1925 New York Times. Nice. And Professor Jamie, how long have you been doing it for? Yeah, Mikuave, you've piqued my curiosity about this now. I really find it interesting to hear what people think. So I actually used to work with like the full bodysuit. My favorite thing in the world, was when they were like, you know, the big struggle, like I had boxers, I had like weightlifters come in thinking that this machine would do absolutely nothing. And within 5 minutes, they were asking me to turn it off. And I thought that was always the funniest thing in the whole wide world. I kind of miss doing that, but it's okay. My eyes off. Thanks, Jose, you're so sweet. Not yet. It's down here. This is yesterday's lows. At 477 level. Yep. 2 years. Oh damn, Anne, how's it going? Oh, this was for my nan. She had bad carbs and bad blood flow to her feet. Yeah, and it works really well, right? So maybe would she have done that? I don't know if she would have done that. Did she do it for the strengthening or because it has like 3 different settings? It's also like a pain relief setting. So, yeah. Trade on 2 years, you'll find huge profits. Yeah, but that's investing by the sounds of things. Indeed, do I live stream every day? Yep. Every single day I am here. 9 to 5. No, just kidding, not 9 to 5. I'm here both London and New York session. Always here. You guys will get so bored of me. Just like Solly. Oh, so bored of me. I know I'm super, super boring, but it's okay. Just kidding. Well. Anyways. Like I said, I apologize. Normally I'm a little bit more chatty. Normally I have a little bit more energy. I'm just... I am very upset with myself right now. But it's all part of trading, right? Learn the lessons and move on. So I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'll get over it. Give me 5 minutes. And then I'll be back to normal. D-grade, what's up? Yeah, no, I'm not. And you know what's frustrating? Dude, no, it's fine. I just keep reminding myself about it. I'm just gonna get more and more grumpy about it. It's okay. Hey, it's 4. No, it took out the lows, but it is below, so that's something, I guess. Okay. I mean, it's not really like this has to work hard to take out the lows today, but anyways. 4 AM open. This should retrace slightly and then get a continuation back down. I'm waiting for the retracement. There we go. There's that retracement. I'm waiting for the solid retracement and then continuation back to take out the lows. Is it gonna happen though? This kind of looks like a double bottom. Here's 4 AM coming. Indy, should I sell MNQ right now? Do not come here for signals. Putting that out there right now. Good, my ratio is 70% success. Got clobbered last month. Same Z's. My win rate is normally 60-64%. Just Feb and... yeah, just Feb has brought it down to like 50%, which is not good. Really not good. Yeah, Mikuave, that's not it. That's not it. Oh, thank you, Debbie. You're so sweet. I love you. No, you can put them. You do not need. Ah, Skeletor. Ah, I should also buy. Waiting for price. Take that low and buy. I would crash out if things don't go as planned. No, Obito, no, you got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. I'm waiting to see what the fall brings. Like I said, I'm expecting a little bit more of a retracement back up. Let's see how it reacts off of this bob level. I mean, it still looks like the sellers are in play. That's the only thing. It still looks like the sellers are like, yep, I'm here still. Don't forget about me. Do I still take this trade? It's still valid. Just the stop loss is at a little bit of a questionable position. If buyers can't defend this level, there's no support left, so it could potentially tank if it breaks below and holds. Maybe that's what I'm thinking as well. Do I use EMA? I do not. I am Minnie. I'm from South Africa. What's up? What's up? How you doing? Also, then I don't know what you're talking about then. Oh, microwave, microwave, microwave. Okay, if there's a lull. Okay, there's a lull. Actually, give me 2 seconds. Let me go show you this thing. I'll put on my tricep. You can see. Would you be able to see the tricep? I've just done my biceps, else I would have put it on my bicep. No, I'll do the tricep. You'll be able to see the tricep. I'll show you. It's so cool. This you trade I've already. Mark saws? What do you mean? What does that mean? The market looks so clear when you have no skin in the game. Okay, clearly, what do you think's gonna happen? Flip. Oh, Dre, flip Dre. Anyways. So I trade market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Wait. Doji. This might go up. Bullish doji, bullish engulfing. I took a note yesterday. I kind of realized a little bit of a trend when it came to solid bullish momentums. When there was, I could be wrong. Okay, I obviously haven't backtested enough, but I kind of saw that it was a trend while I was backtesting yesterday morning, that if there was a bullish doji followed by a bullish engulfing, the market tended to just rocket to the moon. Like it would have a solid retracement and then hello sweetie pie, and then rocket to the moon. So let's see here. Let's see, now we can watch in real time. Let's board test this and see if it's true. In which case I'm glad I'm potentially out of this. This could have just given people some false hope over here. Get some people out. Indy, what time do I start my trading session? Ooh, must I use EST time or SA time? Because, well, EST time is 3 AM. I got the move down. Minnie, you're gonna be so disappointed in me. This should have been my entry candle. Do you want to see my setup? Do you want to see what I had set up? Look at that. Wicked in and down. Do you want to know what my dumbass did? I closed the trade. Because I started overthinking. So that was fun. Analysis paralysis. Yay! Anyways, it's fine. Let's see. This does decent wick off of the bob level. I think this might start going up. Indy, this is the 1 minute currently. Anyways, yes, I'm curious to see how my bot handles the unpredictable damage and use it at any random time so follow all decent profits. What's up, Desi? What's up? Do I trade New York? I do. I trade both London and New York every day, Monday to Friday. People, I am here. Be here or be away, I don't know. I was gonna say be here and be square, but I'm not wearing like my square t-shirt to do what I did the other day that I thought was funny and a lot of people did not think was funny. Okay, rejection off of that 1, 2. It's needed to have at least a little bit of a retracement back into it though. I want to see if it respects this fair value gap solidly or not. Four, retracement back up. I'm gonna be a little bit against the grain here and say I think the bulls might start taking over. I could be very, very wrong. Please do not believe that 100%, right? I just suspect. If I could tell exactly what the markets were gonna do all the damn time, oh my goodness, I would be rich. But I'm not. I'm still learning, so let's see. The value of backtesting, you start to notice things you wouldn't normally notice because you're so fixated on other things. No, not yet. I sweep to yesterday's lows, man. No clear lows, and it will all fall again tomorrow. That's interesting. Chart scopes, what's up? What do we call penny stocks now that the penny's been eliminated? Stocks. I have no idea. Bet the house might say the bulls are coming in? No, because now that doesn't look very promising, does it? Again, though, Goodrich. I do still think the bulls are coming. Like I said, I could be very, very wrong, but I do still think the bulls are coming, which makes this very invalid, so I'm not so keen on this anymore. I'm gonna leave it up out of curiosity's sake, but this actually would have been the setup for bulls. Oh my gosh, if I can start seeing the reversal, I will be such a happy chappy. I'm normally so bad at seeing if it's reversal or not. Okay, they would have been partial. Let's see if this hits full TP. What? It's definitely gonna buy. Thank you. Trade patterns I've never considered or thought about before. In fact, they do every week. See, Debbie, and you keep learning. I think it's crazy that they keep learning. Oh my gosh, that worked beautifully. What the heck? Has anyone else ever noticed that? Has anyone else ever noticed? But I'm speaking specifically the 1 minute chart. This might look different on the higher time frames. I'm speaking specifically 1 minute time frame. Bullish doji, but like a proper doji, not a it could be a doji. A proper bullish doji followed by a bullish engulfing. That tends to bring in the bulls pretty decently. Oh, that would have been a full TP. Okay. Backtesting for the winsies. Literally, full TP. Let's see if this now would have hit stop loss or not if I had taken this. I would not have taken this. Look at this rejection off of Bob level. Okay, now that we have confirmation there though. Okay, got a bit of a... I was actually supposed to go and get something to show Mikuwabe something, but now I'm too invested in this. I'll go grab it now, Mikuwabe. I hope you don't mind. Volume imbalance, volume imbalance. This is where I would actually have liked to have seen it coming back down. So this... Yep. Oh damn, okay, even on the 5 minute it was a bullish doji followed by a bullish, I guess, engulfing. I guess not as engulfing as I would have liked it to be, but kind of engulfing. That at least had a fair value gap. Shelf. Shoot. This is not an A+ setup. I can't take it. Brandon taking notes. Where's what? So Minnie, you think this is a fake move? You think this is gonna start coming back down now? Let's see. Be nice. Where are you from? if this is Wes's second language, then Wes, respect to you. Just saying. Just saying. Okay, wait. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. Mikuave, let me go get that machine to show you. Give me a second. Okay, let's see how it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm such a bad human. Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Oh, I feel so bad. Oh my goodness. Jayesh, when did you pop on and tell me what? Told me what? When did you tell me anything? Jayesh, when did you even pop on? Anyways, moving on. Maybe I'll find the champion. I think it's a user resistance supposedly. I'm just guessing right now. That's okay, Minnie. Days will come now. Oh, there you said something. Okay, yeah, so that did not work there. So let's see. Maybe it still would have been valid. Valid entry, because I feel bad. Not looking good. It's going to go low. Yeah. What's up, a.a.a? How you doing? How you doing? Let's see. Still rejecting off this bob level though. It's gonna go level to level. Nah. Is this where the bears are supposed to be coming in? Gonna be a profitable day manifesting. Ah, AACA, it should have been a profitable day, but I didn't take the damn trade. It's fine. Trading at 17 instead of doing school. No! Jamie, what the man? I feel like he gets in the way on purpose, so he gets treats. I felt so bad, guys. I squished his little toe. I feel so... What a bad owner. Anyways, it's okay. Okay, anyways, so, like I was saying. How tiny are your trades, Jayesh? Jamie, how old am I? How old do you think I am? Where's Mikuave? Mikuave! Bears or sells or buys? Sells. Bears or sells. Bearish market is a selling market. Because I'm an idiot, Mikuave, and I got analysis paralysis. You trading NQ2? Yes, I am. I think you're 20. Oh, you guys are so sweet. I'm actually 27. I'm turning 28 this year. I'm getting so old. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so old. Okay. So everyone thinks this was mostly just manipulation, but I've respected the heck out of that. Still gotta wait for confirmation now with this one. Yeah, you look 50 or more, I don't know. Wow. Oh, microwave. Hi, you're a baby. This is it. This is the machine. It's itty bitty. I'm turning 28 this year too. I can feel my bones cracking. Is this the end? Robocop, I'm starting to believe this is indeed the end, actually. 100%. This is our time to go. And you know what? I'm going to allow it. I'm just gonna be like, you know, take me now. Debbie, you're a baby still. I'm 40 years old. Debbie, oh, maybe it's rude to ask how old you are. How old are you? That's my balance. Yeah. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Yeah, 31 just starts to feel so much older, like every year. Oh gosh, guys. Like, just the thought. Okay. Seeing as this is manipulating, do you guys want to see how this thing works? Yes, no, maybe? Or do you not really care enough? Let me know. I'm happy to not do it, but if you guys want to see how this works, I'm happy to show you. Oh, Indy, what time do I live stream? Every day. So, okay, let me do EST time. EST time, 9:15 a.m. for the New York session, and 4:50 a.m. No, I lie. 2:50 a.m. for the London session. That's not right. No, it is right. Never mind. That is correct. Okay, cool. 40, don't mind saying age is just a number. So, Debbie, when did you start trading? Like, what age did you start trading? I realize I'm old when I stopped keeping up with the trends. Robocop, I realize I'm old where the trends annoy the living daylights out of me when I'm just like, if a kid had to come up to me and say 6'7", I might kick it. That sounds rude, but it is what it is. Basically, this is now not what I want to see. Mikuave, okay, wait, let me actually... Okay. Rail. No, that's my reading balance. Sorry, Rail. That's my reading balance. Yeah, if you want to see, here you go. Reading balance. Ugh. It's way too. Okay. So literally just. This is it. You have little sticky electropads? There's correct word for it, but it's gone out of my brain. So you get like small ones and bigger ones. Bigger ones I use on like my core and things. For those of you that are asking, seeming as this is now kind of going sideways and no longer giving me nice enough like it was earlier. Oh, I'm so angry at myself, but it's fine. Moving on. 581 to 585 range is choppy. Yep. So when you start a funded or even an eval account, you get 50,000. Like you start off with 50,000. You're allowed to go into drawdown of $2,000. Okay, obviously eval or funded depending. So I'm allowed a drawdown of $2,000. When you reach that, the account is blown. Which shows that I am in drawdown. Yay me. But yeah. Does that kind of make sense? Let's do the other thing now. My 3-year-old niece said that to me in 60 times. I took care of her. That's amazing, Mikuava. And you know what? It's valid. It is actually valid. I moved to Forex but get annoyed with spreads, develop my strategy, and now trade 10 assets in Forex, crypto, and commodities. Maybe, I'm assuming you guys are living like a really comfortable life then. Correct me if I'm wrong. How long did it take you to become profitable? Don't trade with Apex, PA rules are bad. I've heard some bad things about Apex. Oh my gosh, my door slammed shut. That scared the living daylights out of me. Anyways, I've heard some bad things about Apex the last 2 days. Hammer, you want to see my trade? Yeah, please. Send it, send it, send it. Is that a liquidity sweep? LMW? I mean, to be fair, this whole bloody thing was a liquidity sweep. Maybe possible range 1 to 1 hour break even. Let's see, Jose. Yeah, David, because I do not want to have real life contractions. I'm good, thanks. I'm so good. I know it's very controversial for a girl to say she does not want kids, but here we are. Anyways. Remember, I'm doing this because I'm wanting to show you. I'm not going to do the full, so it's a 30-minute session normally. Oh. Okay, so the balance on screen. When you have... So I got a 50k account, right, for my eval. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. I should have maybe plugged this in before I did this. Ah, mistakes were made. The heck was that noise? Okay, anyways. What's up, son? Sorry, I have no setups currently, so I'm doing weird and wonderful things as one does. Okay. 21 TV, thank you, Hammer. I'm assuming, yep, that's what that buzz from my phone was. What's even? Oh, prop firms. Prop firms, evaluation account. Real, do you not trade prop firms? What do you trade? Live account? Still want it. There. Are the buyers in? The buyers could be back in. Okay, I'm watching this carefully. Don't worry, I know I'm kind of low-key messing around a little bit right now, but I'm still watching this. Oh my gosh, can you imagine me trying to take a trade while this is contracting? I might accidentally click a button I shouldn't, but anyway, let's do this. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna regret doing this. Ow. Anyways. I will now. So I don't know if you can see. There we go, when it contracts. How it contracts my muscles. Mikuave, there we go. This did not have anything that was not valid. And it's doing that. I'm not controlling this at all. Might get a reversion. I agree. What's up, Pestick? How you doing? Rail, I will explain now. Moon's telling me to feel a pregnancy. He's like, yes and no. Yeah. Yes and no. I think it's a different one maybe, but it's not a contraction. It's specifically made for... Yeah, specifically made to get your muscles to start activating correctly. Like I said, the mind-muscle connection is a very big thing. But yeah, Just that you got an idea. It works very well, as you can see. That just reject off of the order block a little bit. Let's see, still stuck in this range. Only once it breaks out of this range will I be happy chappy. Still hasn't broken out though. Undo that. Oh, thank you, LMW. Yeah, 9 months now. I put it on your face! What, to teach my smile muscle how to smile better. David, can you turn it up? Hell no! I don't want to break my arm. I'm not turning it up more. And that was only level, I think that was on level 9, which is embarrassing. Goes up to 30. Okay. Anyways, Mikuave, I thought I would show you that. So it's very cool. I love this thing a lot. And it also has pain relief like a TENS machine, has a massage setting. So cool. So cool. What did I miss? Wow! Thanks, David. David's saying turn it up to max. I can put it on my stomach max. I'm not gonna put it on my arms max though. I have very weak arms. Oh, I didn't put it in the box. What happens if you put it on your brain? Does it strengthen your brain-to-brain connection? I wish it worked like that. Can you imagine? Anyone that was dumb, I'd be like, you, come here. Come here. We need to just this on your forehead and let's just get this working. I'm not gonna attempt to do that though. I don't think that's a good idea. Do it and I'll do another. Are you a mad lad? It's okay. Like I said, I did my biceps the other day. I only managed to put it onto... Did I even reach 20? I don't even think I reached 20. Huge chance it'll break this range. Jayesh, bear or bull? Oh gosh. I wish. Okay, wait. I wasn't taking this out. I'm not a fan of this range because I feel like it could want to go further, but this is not terrible. Okay, I'm gonna really tell my thoughts on this. This is very meh. I don't like this setup. It's like a B setup. There's a fair value gap in my shelf there. That's about it. But that's not an A+ setup. There's no A. There's no more A+ forming. That being said, no, this was also not an A+. Theoretically, I mean, it looks like it would have actually worked. For now. For now. Projection. That was not an engulfing. Let's see how this goes. Sorry, I gotta keep myself entertained somehow. So I had a thought. I keep forgetting the YouTuber's name. I have to give him a shout out. But there's a YouTuber, like I said, that plays Ark, and every day he does like a bird of the day. Randomly. I want to kind of start doing that, but I would love to do like random trading words of the day. Under turning is controlled into trade. No, I mean you saw what it did to my hand. Imagine I'm here and it clicks like a buy or sell. Maybe that's the new trading strategy, guys. I'm gonna just hover. I'm gonna hover And then when it's on, it's going to go to one or the other. It's going to either be a sell or a buy. And it's going to make me click one. And that's the new trading strategy. That's how I'm going to start trading. Every time it freaking contracts, I'm just going to get into a buy or sell. Can you imagine? That would be so bad. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Am I German? I'm not German. Well, nah, I'm not German. What's up? I'm South African. Good, apparently there's a blood moon tonight. I heard in New Zealand, right? I use it to trade. Let's do it, Mikuave. Do it, do it, do it, do it. It'll be so funny. It'll be so funny. Okay, wait, Hammer sent this. Let's see Hammer's trade. This was Hammer's trade. Nice. What time frame is this? Oh, and he's the US yen. Huh. That's a really good trade. Nice. Sorry, that was Hammer's trade from this morning that he showed me. The accent is 12 out of 10 German or weird or Switzerlandish. Switzerlandish. Is that correct? That's not right. That's not right. Now you're making me question my whole entire life. I'll call it every time. A power trip. Am I winning? At life? No. At trading right now? Also no. But welcome. We have fun here. Very random, weird fun, but fun. Anyways, this was not an A+ setup. This, like I said, technically was not an A+ setup. It did respect the heck out of this volume imbalance though, so that was good. Guess the volume imbalance did end up being right by that shelf as well, so that's cool. Range was just a tiny bit too big. It's now stuck in this range. That's also fun. Let's see if we break below it. Everyone still believes the bears are in play. I think the bulls want to take over. The bears are just not letting them. Hey, the higher probability is about to take control. OTT, what's up? Gosh, thank you. That's everywhere the blood moon. I would suggest no one go out tonight. Don't let them line hit your skin. JS, why? What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do when it comes for you? Damn, okay, the coffee's kicking in. It only took like an hour and a half, but the coffee is kicked in finally. Soon we'll more backtesting, more on the market, profits will follow. Thank you, Power Trip. I appreciate that. I should have actually been in a winning trade earlier, but I'm an idiot, so here we go. It's valid. Seeing how it reacts to these two levels, but here a definite SMT has just been formed. Indy, I'm just waiting for an A+ setup for me. So an A+ needs to have at least, well, a minimum of 3 confluences. So maybe this is going to start giving me a confluence. Cool to know that. Also would have been a green trade, but anyways. Nope. Okay, there goes that confluence. Done. Done and dusted. This thing is driving me mental. Old Swiss German. Interesting. Huh. Okay. See? You learn something new every single day. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Take it short to previous day low of 473. I mean 477. 473. It's not 473. It's 477-ish. Right? Tony? Massive time change shifts in the minutes from London is not right. It may affect health. Oh, Jesh, in that case, I might just go and bathe and be like, let's do this. Let's do this. Well, 100%. Next time I'll definitely... It sounds like you're busy. I thought you had left already. Sorry, else I would have said it something again now. Bye, microwave. Enjoy. Have fun, I guess. Angel, I think. Or was it Angelo? I'm so sorry. What platform am I using? I'm currently using trading. Okay. Okay. Anyone that's new, I'm trading off of TradingView via Tradeovate. Yeah. Tradeovate is broker. I'm with Top One Futures prop firm. This is a funded account. I'm currently trading the Nasdaq futures micros to be specific, and I'm on the 1 minute time frame as we speak. I'm watching ES on the side here. SMT has now been formed. Higher probability was created there. Let's see what happens. No A+ setup has formed again for me since this one. I did not take this one because of the fact that it did just take out a bunch of sell-side liquidity, so I expected a further or deeper retracement back up. It did not happen. That's okay. My time has come to participate in Crush Out. As Sadiq. Oh my gosh, guys, I feel like I'm having a stroke. What is wrong with me? I'm not even speaking English anymore. Good grief, no wonder you thought I was speaking German. I don't know what I'm speaking, but it ain't English. I can tell you that much for free. Wait, out 5 minutes? What about the 5 minutes? You asked me to go look at it? I do not understand Spanish, sorry. Sorry. I do not understand Spanish. My parents know Spanish. I know that doesn't help right now. I can't speak Spanish, but my parents know Spanish. I wish I was that cool. I wish I could speak Spanish. I think it would be an awesome language to learn how to speak. I know one phrase in French, which means I don't know. Boy art. Okay, let's check the 5 minute for you. Five minute looks like so. Yeah. So there's the 5 minute. Gee, she might get a good point to short it. Let's see. Here's that deeper retest I was kind of waiting for. I was like 7 years old. How? What? How do you know that? Yeah. The resistance is broken. No. I don't think the resistance is broken properly yet. Just personally, I could be wrong, right? Obviously, I could be wrong. I don't think it's properly broken yet. I mean, checkout just went straight back into this range. Her channel, she's super young. She has a channel. I'm gonna sound so old right now. Okay, I know that I'm going to sound so old, but why are kids this young allowed to make their own damn, like, platforms. She is so young. She is so young. This cannot be safe. Wow, that is... Okay. That's insane. That's... Yeah. Anyway, so I know I sound very old saying that right now. I'm aware that I sound a little bit like a grandma saying that, but that's... Okay. That's not okay. Moving on, let's go back to the charts. Hey Shub, what's up? She can't be more than 6 foot. Home for about 40 years and has a video of her and her brother like 5. That's weird. Anyways, hey Jules, hi! How have you been? I'm not gonna lie, I'm super salty today, but it's okay. How have you been, Jules? How's the trading been treating you? How's your doggy? Thank you. I'm like, what? Ayo, Mr. Chaos! Mr. Chaos in the house! Pew 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 pew! Wait. Oh, I don't have a pew 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 thing. That would have been cool. Okay, well, you can get a specific good morning.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
There we go. Mr. Chaos, don't even look at me right now. I am very upset, but it's okay. I missed such a banger of a trade because... Just because. And then this one I didn't take, but I'm not upset for not taking it because it did take out a bunch of sell-side liquidity, so I kind of expected it to retest deeper, and with this one I didn't take, again, sell-side liquidity. It also bounced solidly off of this bob level. If it didn't have this huge wick, I kind of suspected it to go to bob, but it didn't, and that's okay. This one lost. This one is a B setup. I'm now waiting for another A+ setup. We still have time, people. There's still a possibility. I'm trying to be positive over here. I took 40 ticks in years. Hey, whoop whoop, that is amazing! I'm ignoring the drama that's going on over here. But anyways, whoop whoop. Definite whoop whoop. Oh, do you know what I forgot to do? Oopsie. Oh, I guess it doesn't really matter. If you guys want to use it, you can use it. I forgot to post this. Like I said, it doesn't really matter, but anyways. Oh, maybe after I pull back we'll wait. Chart script, that's what I'm kind of waiting for. I'm waiting for... Like, this is starting to look better. This is indeed starting to look better. I know all of the sell side liquidity. Look here, I have it marked out. Here's the New York low. I know a lot of people are waiting for it to tap into this New York low and then potentially pop back up to the buy side. Did you close Feb with profit? That's a good question. Was my Feb month profitable or not? Probably not. I know last week was definitely not profitable. Actually, that's a very valid question. I want to say no because Feb, like, took me, pretended to love me, and then pummeled me to the ground. So I want to say I think Feb was a red month, but I'm gonna have to double check that. Sun, twins? Twins. What about twins? What's happening? What's happening with twins? Twins? Question mark? What? Son, I have so many questions. What? What's happening with twins? So who would want twins? That's 2. That would be 2. That's double the trouble. So double the expenses. Gosh, guys, kids are expensive. Holy guacamole. Damn. kids be expensive. My friend, she just had her child now, and she was telling me a bunch of things, and I was just like, what? That is, yeah. Oh, I'm still just gonna sit back and watch. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, there's that London loan equal lows taken. See what this looks like on the 5 minute now that it has broken below. We just have to make sure it's not going to go back in on the 5 minute. This does not look good. Bruh. It's still not an A+ setup. Oh, I lie, it is an A+ setup. I have my bob level as protection. Bob level doesn't always protect though. Oh, the volume balance is not in the right space. Tapped into the shelf. How's it gonna react off of here? Literally liquidity sweep, but there's still the New York low further down. On chat, you have twins. I do. That looks like last support is about to get taken out. Free fall almost confirmed. Soon a small reversal. Hey, son. No, sorry, this is Nasdaq futures still. What's up, son? ES is over here. Working out just as well. Oh, cheers, son. Enjoy bed. I think. Debbie, what? Oh my greatness. Oh. Like I said, I'm wildly disappointed in myself today. Completely and utterly disappointed. But it is what it is. This has not come back up. This might now continue. We still have time. We still have time. We still have time. Not a lot, but there's still time. He's not used to missing trades and having to sit on OTT. You know what? It's just more frustration knowing that I had two amazing setups and analysis paralysis took over. I could have been up. I could have been done trading for the day. Taken 2 trades. Even if I only had them, like, if I had mitigated them by half, I still would have been up $400 today. David, I tried to watch it. The first episode, I was like, meh. I have tried to watch it. It's not my favorite. So sorry, I'm learning. What's the difference between the two? Oh, Edward, no problem. I'm not going to give the most accurate, but S&P 500 is the top 500 companies, and Nasdaq 100 is the top 100 companies. I'm pretty sure there's more, but that's basically the main differences betwixt them. They do work together. Also, I use the micros for NQ, so micros specifically so I don't blow through capital, which is awesome sauce. There is minis or micros, S&P, so MES, but it's still more than M and Q. But ES and NQ tend to drive each other. ES drives NQ. People have a bit of debate about which one drives which, but anyways, they work hand in hand. Let's just put it that way. But Edward, nice. Welcome. I'm glad that you're learning. Long position setting up as per my notifiers. Nice. Hammer, why did you not take it? Sorry, I missed it. Oh, Hammer, because analysis paralysis got the best of me, and I made the mistake of, please don't take this the wrong way, guys. Please don't take this the wrong way. I made the mistake of listening to chat and letting chat get in my head. Please don't take that the wrong way. You guys are very, very helpful, but sometimes, as you guys know, when it comes to trading, there's kind of a 50-50 split about who thinks what's going to happen next. Sadiq, can you explain how this Bob thing works? I actually can't, sorry. I told Bob that I would keep it a secret. I did give away the source when I reached 10k with permission from Bob. So when I reached 10k subscribers, I did give away the source. This comes back up. This is now better. If this comes back up, this is a better entry. When it takes out the New York low, it's no longer valid though. But if it comes to retest this one last time, this could be good. Listening to chat is like letting down. It's okay, never think about what happened or what's going to happen. Feel, oh, Jayesh, I like that. Trade your own mind. Yeah, no, I know, and that's the problem, right? That is the problem. Then analysis paralysis started to kick in, and that's why I'm not blaming anyone. It's only on me. It is only on me. I should have taken it. I wouldn't take it. She just called us. I did not, Mikuwabe. Stop it. Felipe here, taking shots. Hey, you are one. What's up, Felipe? Yeah, shorts are definitely in play, but still no A+ setup now that we've come to this level. So, yay. Hey, Blazin, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. OTT. Blazin, no, NQ, sorry, MNQ. Oh, hey, Pillow. No, Pillow. No. So I live in South Africa, so lucky for me, SA times are the best times to trade. Just saying. I know. I wasn't disagreeing with you. I just didn't have an entry. Well, that's a lie. I guess I had an entry there, but again, it wasn't really A+ setup. This was a B setup. Okay. Was a B setup. This here. Guess 1, 2, 3. This is now better.
Emotional damage.
Oh, hey, Wes. What's up? How you doing? I like a pilot ready to take off as a runaway. Sit, pull, and go. Interesting. Right, that's being nice. Damn, you're La Savage. Okay. On the 5 minute, this still looks decent. So higher time frames look good. Bob level. I'm mitigating. Okay, I'm mitigating. Just with how it's been going recently, I'm mitigating. I have my 4. How's it look on the 5 minute? No, it's just taking out that liquidity. Let's talk about this and this. That's not bad. Down, okay, it's bouncing off of there slightly. New York close this. Down. So close yet so far. You know what, that's still pretty solid for a stop loss. Even on the 15-minute. Okay, I like this one. This could be where it reverses, looking just at the wicks going on. But, still A+. So, let's see if this comes back up high enough to get me or not. Watch New York opening. Aw, Ninja, you're so sweet. You're a sweetie pie. It's okay. How's it going for you, Ninja? Watch New York open rip. No, I agree with you. I think New York is going to be insane. But let's see. 0 degrees, but sun is shining. I see some movement in the market. Am I bearish with markets today? Well, Wiz, I didn't get in a trade if that's what you're asking, but yeah, bearish bias. Be confident you're doing well. All you need is more chart exposure. Oh, hello. I appreciate it. You're so sweet. My exit's on your first TP. I'm right back up to it and turned around. No! Oh, there we go. If it takes out New York low though, I'm out. I'm closing this quicker than you can say, Maya, be careful. Just saying, I'm watching this like a damn hawk. The second this New York low is taken, I am out. Thank you, near weekly. No, I know, Mr. Chaos. I know. That's why I'm watching it like a hawk. Shot them in him. Oh no! Oh, damn. Okay, Ninja, that took a very unexpected turn right there. I was like, oh, I'm so sorry. This is for Ninja because that was too funny.
That's what she said.
Let's see. This might take out the low first though, but I at least have it set up. I prefer this setup than to how it was earlier. Damn, the buyers are just going, nope, don't do that. And the sellers really want it. Work down there. SMC has been created again. I'm done with my day. I was going for a swim in the pool. Nice. Is it warm there? Do you know what's nice? It's not too hot here for a change. Thank heavens. And I'm outie just like that. Heck no. Okay, New York low taken. Or weekly low taken. Cool, 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 cool. Let's see how it reacts now after that with that redonkulous freaking sweep. Bob got stuck in this bob level here. A little bit. Well, that's cool. Let's see how it reacts. How many people I'm gonna buy right now? Off school, my work here is done. So. Hey Dash, that's cool. What's cool? Thanks, Ninja. I appreciate it. Cambam, what's up? So, Cambam, you're in. Awesome. Not yet. 440 entry. 440? Are you trading NQ? Mr. Chaos, not yet. TP had all signs point to market dumping today. Debbie, what about during New York? You don't think New York might be a reversal? Me, but I gotta see a decent reaction first. Oh, 445. Okay. Got it. 445. That makes more sense because I was like, what? JH, I would buy. Interesting. Damn, okay, there's so many people in buys right now. I trade mostly the ES. Oh, that's okay, Mr. Chaos. So, are you also then in the buy? I must say, ES are much nicer than NQ sometimes. Maybe this is why NQ is being mean to me. Is it because I'm being nice to ES and giving ES compliments? NQ, you know you're a sweetie pie. You know that you're nice. Sometimes. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Prove that ES is not better than you. Go on. And that's how you sweet talk the charts. Just kidding. I don't think I have ever been able to sweet talk the charts properly. Today's market is bearish. Okay, I hear the hand. JH, I hear you, but didn't you just say you would buy? Indeed, am I buying or selling? I am now waiting for confirmation of which direction it wants to go. Sweet and simply. Now it's just taken out basically the weekly low. Could turn during New York, but for now we're going down. Interesting, okay. Okay, let's see what happens now. You are one, how do you put those cartoons? Ah, you are one, you have to be a member to have access to the memes. So if you want a membership, you're more than welcome. And then you have access to all these memes.
That's what she said.
So yeah, only, members get some special treatment. That sounds weird. Did that sound weird? That sounded... Was that weird? That was probably weird, but it's okay. Look how blonde this little hair is. Why is it so blonde? I saw it earlier and I was like, what is that? What is so shiny? I'm not wearing earrings. It's my hair. Anyways, moving on. Back we go. Yes, I'll buy and take a slice of a correction. Okay, got it. Here we go. Don't say member, why not? It's the stress.
Emotional damage.
That was so nasty. That was so mean. That's grey hair from the last week's charts. You know what? I'm sodding to believe because member is cringe. Yeah, I am a cringe person. Member, it's a membership. Anyways, oh, I love it. You know what? At this point, I'm inclined to agree with you guys. I'm still curious about this. I know I shouldn't be following this down, but I'm still kind of curious to see if this would have worked out. Let's wait for confirmation that this is either going up, down, sideways. Okay. We still have an hour. Maybe something good is going to present itself within this hour. Dun dun dun. This is the slice I was talking about. Okay, nice. Where would you take... At what level would you take your TP? I was gonna try and make a slice joke, but it didn't work out. Yeah. Life, love, trade? You're welcome, I guess. If you can... If I just need to be as confident as you are in me, and then maybe we'll get somewhere. Hey, close date. Well done. Whoop whoop and happy birthday. Hey, Sniffiest, what's up? How you doing? Are you good? Why just Maya? That sounded very disappointed in me. I'm sorry. What did I do? I'm a people pleaser. You can't come at me with that disappointed tone. It makes me sad. Anyways. Whoop whoop. Close date. Happy birthday. Well done on 1 year trading and being profitable. Super proud. This week is not a good week for trading at all. Feb has just not been a good month for trading. To be fair, today actually would have been a decent day. I said it when I looked at the charts and I saw Asia had moved and I was like, today's gonna be a decent day. And did I listen to myself? No. Why? Because I'm an overthinker. Can you tell I need to still work on myself when it comes to charts? Mr. Chaos? Number 1. Mr. Chaos, how's your trades been going? Happy? Sad? Me? I think Trump's the great market. Mr. Chaos, good. Yeah. Micros, sniffies. Micros. All the way. Jules, are you still here? Are you in on this? Where's Jules? I know Jules was looking for buys, potentially. Wow, that's not a lot of retracement now, is it? Okay, we still have an hour. Let's see. Oh, I guess less than an hour, but we still have some time. Oh, thank you. Check for double bottom situation. That's what I'm looking at. Crap. Let's see what we get now. Macros is a sweet spot, not too much risk, but still considerable gains. Sophie's right. So do you also trade micros? How can people say it's not a good week for trading when it's only Tuesday? You know what? You have a valid point. You know what's sad is that I woke up and I was like, sure, it's been a long week. And then I realized the week started yesterday and I was like, oh damn. Just a little bit more
Emotional damage.
Eduardo, what's up? How you doing? Not quite. Okay, not quite what I want to see. That's so real. Oh, I love that. I said by ICT himself, I trust in his analogy. Nice, there we go. Bunch of weenies. If I ask me, you know, and you know, no one really asked for your opinion, but you asked yourself for your opinion, and we gotta respect that. We gotta respect you giving yourself the opinion. Okay, well, it's taken out basically majority of the sell side liquidity now. I am actually thoroughly surprised that this is still going. The next sell side liquidity that I have marked is this Asia low at 240. I think there is more. I'd have to go and obviously check the higher time frames, but damn. Okay. Lucy, why are all the setups that I'm not hating actually on ES today? NQ, give me something clean, like you did earlier. I know I didn't take it, but still. Give me another opportunity. Aw, Ernest, you're so sweet, thank you! I mostly trade micros. Ever since I stopped trading using 1 to 2 many, my trades have been far more consistent. That's interesting. Why do you think that is? Like, is it just a mental thing, Sniffies, out of curiosity? Yeah, otherwise we should be going up. Hey Darren, what's up? How you doing? Are you okay? Oh my gosh. My dog just lay down so hard that he like banged his head on the ground. Are you okay? Oh, she has a rough life. Anyways. It's a lot more. Actually, remember liquidity isn't just seasons, highs and lows. But I mean, that being said, you can then start really overthinking because then there's literally liquidity everywhere. Everywhere. Can't sleep, so I'm trading. Oh no, Darren! Why can't you sleep? Markets get you down. You little sugar honey iced tea. Let's see if this works out. On ES. Maybe it's not gonna. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Oh, on the high time. Yeah. Edward, can I explain my strategy? Sure, it's pretty simple. It's market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. So sweet and simply, I draw from top of the range to bottom of the range. 50%. Sorry, I'm giggling at this. 50% is the entry, but I need at least 3 or more confluences for it to be an A+ setup. So that's the thing. There were some setups now in this continuation down, but they were all B setups. That was a good rejectional for this level. Let's see if we get more. Seven, 3 5s then the next. Sorry, just quickly drawing this bob level here. Okay. Done. Let's see how that works out there. ES is giving me decent stuff today. Come on, NQ. Prove that you are better. Let's do this. Things don't look good, not going to be part of this now. Wait for New York. Not valid. New York silver bullet, London session. It's out the ranges for New York should take out. Hey, Nomad, what's up? Andrew, well. What we, welling, what's happened? Scared me. Shout out to David for the dodo. Are you good? The VS is clean to trade. I know, I never have. I don't know if I should. Maybe I should. I've never tried it. Should I? Like I said, let's see if this now works out. Let's see how it reacts here. This does go all the way back down off of this bob level. It'll be quite interesting. Oh god, I'm still doing this. Oh my goodness, David. Good grief. Shout out to David for the donuts. What do you think about silver trades? I tested my luck with that and ended with a blow. Oh, to be, I've heard silver is not for beginners. I've heard silver can be quite, I don't like to use the word terrifying, but terrifying. I was in the chat a week ago and called out. Hey Andrew, what's up? Asian, down, down, down. Let's actually open up MES, because this is ES. I'm not going to trade down ES. I actually need to see. Maybe this is a bit of a dumb question. Okay, I don't know if it is a dumb question, but... because you know, MNQ and NQ look similar, but a little bit different, right? I'm assuming it's the same with ES and MES. Correct? AK son, how many funded accounts? Just one. There's a guy who made like 200k in a few days on silver, no joke. So was the third base performer, very close, followed by gold in fourth. Isova, I was this close to putting you on a timeout. What's up? Are you good? For me anyway. Go. Interesting. Ex Dunya, what up? How you doing? Good. Oh my goodness. David, are you good? Are you trying to see how many, like, ones you can throw this way? Ooh, it'd be close to stop loss. Never mind, so much for that. Not respecting this level quite as well as I thought it would. Isova, what's up? So we're looking weird right now. I would hold physical, too much manipulation in the paper market. Thank you for. Thanks for. What did I do? One, two, oh, shoot. No, everyone's still bearish. Let's wait for confirmation here. Maybe this is where it starts to shift. 1, 2, E. Sorry, that E is for the stop loss. Never mind. This is again a B setup. This is not an A+ setup. Seriously. Third one's like a certain place to third one's. Wow. Hey Ligner, what? I feel like I butchered that completely. Anyways, this is the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? First time I see 30-minute candle, that's 1% yesterday. New York open. They did. They really did. What am I gonna do? 360 spins. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa with it. How you doing? How's it going? You're right, it's shifting? Huh, interesting. Okay, well, let's see. Wait for them confirmations, right? That possibly actually would have been better. Then I would have had at least 3, but yeah, it's fine. This looks like the shift. Let's see. It's not easy to short this market because they have these random bursts of bullishness that can burn you if you're short too big or too early. Okay, so I think the annoying thing is that I really did. I'm gonna complain about this. I had such a good setup and I didn't take it because I'm an idiot. But let's now see. This could be the reversal that happens now. Didn't quite go all the way back down here. So I'm just quickly following this. This.
That's what she said.
That's the 50% of that range. Okay. Hey Louis, what's up? Never saw your channel before. What's up? Welcome. Sleepwalker, hi. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How you doing? Yes, I trade both London and New York session. What's up to anyone that's new? Hope you're doing amazing. Don't know where you're from, so this might not be a good morning situation, but...
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Best tip I can give is never trust potential reversals. Best way to get cooked. You know, Snippy, I guess it is the whole trend is friend until it's not situation, right? The only problem is if you get in when it's not situation. Which I've done a couple of times where I'm like, trend is friend, and then it reverses. As I get into the trend. And I'm just like, that felt a little bit personal, but it's okay. Got a perfect catch, what, for the short? For the upside. Hey, Mike. Am I profitable if it doesn't feel like it right now, but theoretically I am funded, so I did pass my eval. Trading within a range. I've been trading only reversals at the moment and internal range. I mean, Jim, does it work for you? I think that's the only question that really matters. Is it working for you? Are you profitable? Do you like your setup? You gotta start shorting Nasdaq soon. It's a moving trend and get on reversal. Congrats on plus. Thank you, Snippies. I appreciate it. Have I gotten any payouts? No, I've not. I've only had this funded for 2 weeks. I mean, it's not going well. The balance is at 49120, but still, I've only had it for 2 weeks. Thank you, Louis. Well, the plan is to be profitable. So for those that are new, I've actually only been trading for 11 months now. If I'm not mistaken, I actually think my first ever trade I took on the 14th of April. I'm gonna have to go back and get some confirmation on that one. Yeah. So headed to a year of trading. Slowly but surely. But yeah, I've only been trading for a year now. Do I have a Tradeify? Unfortunately, it's not a Tradeify funded. I kind of wish. But it's a Top 1 Futures funded account. It has been working. I have a plus setup on the paper trades. I'm taking it to the combine this week. There we go, Jim. Then it makes no difference. If it's working for you, you do you. There's no rule book that says everyone has to trade a certain trade. There's no rule book that says that everyone has to trade a certain way. You trade what works for you. Sweet and simple. This range is so big. Ugh. Okay. Always get cooked on reversals. Just when I think I'm finally catching a badass reversal, it just turns out to be a retracement, especially when taking out all-time highs or all-time lows. You know what, Snippy? This is gonna sound so rude, but I'm so glad. Like, I know that sounds so rude, but I'm so glad that it's not just me. I'm so sorry. Louis, only NQ for now. English, please. I'm trying. AND, aloha. How's it going? Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. It does not feel like it today, but it's okay. It will get better. Like I said, I think Feb got into my head. Morning, coming from Canada. Hey, Laura. Long time to see. How you feeling? How you been doing? Is the illness gone? Are you back to quote-unquote normal now? How you been? Oh no, Jackie, what happened? What's Gold doing? I've been only taking the second pullback, break of structure with volatility. Seems to be doing the trick. Jim, and how do you just mark it in? Travel home because my dad passed away and I'm through these things. Oh no! Oh, Laura, I'm so sorry. Aw. Laura, well, we are thinking of you and we love you. You've got this. Ew, it's created quite a bit of equal highs on the ES right now. Still didn't retrace into the 50% of this setup though. Interesting. Okay. Beauty, I'm gonna call you Beauty. What's up, Beauty? Wait, what is my tattoo? Oh no, it's not words. Sorry, it's a snail. It's a snail. And then around the snail is peach blossoms. Peach blossoms. It's to do with so the snail's to do with my mother and technically my grandmother, but very different reasons why. And the peach blossoms is to do with where I used to live. Just outside my bedroom window was a peach tree, and it was my favorite thing in the springtime to just, this sounds so old and so cliche, but just wake up, open my curtains, and look at the peach blossoms. It's a snail because mine is slow. Listen here, microwave. I was gonna say something mean about microwave, but microwaves only help. I was gonna be like, you're a microwave because you're electric, and I was like, no, that's nice. You're a microwave because you heat things up. That's also nice. Oh, there we go. You're a microwave because you're a tool. Got it. Anyway. Why didn't you say it was about your family? Because I'm right. Future millionaire, what's up? If you're gonna be a future millionaire, do you want to help fund a sad little snail apparently? Wow. Indices are struggling to break up that previous daily low and shorts for the retest of the previous daily. Nice. Okay. What do you think, you Jose? I try. No, but the point is, I still called you a tool, so it's okay. How old are you? Seem 28 or 30ish, but so pretty. Oh, so good job. Thanks. I guess I'll tell my parents. I'm 27. So yeah, pretty spot on. Well, turning 28 this year, so there we go. Pretty spot on, but only in December, so me, I'm still 27. Give me a trade! Okay, maybe that's a start. Yeah. We're taking lows, shorts are valid. Microwaves are an electric computing device, not a tool. A hammer is a tool. Yeah, but it's a tool that you use in the kitchen. Keep eating kale and... Oh, I do not eat either of those, so that's okay. Does age matter? I guess it depends on if you're older or younger. Younger, yes. Your horse is slow, how about that? I would argue with you, but I mean, he's a racehorse that only did 2 races, which means he is slow. So... But he's adorable, so it's okay. He's allowed to be. Not to be chilling like me. What do you mean? Stay young. Oh, no, who wants to stay young? Hey, Indy, yeah, trend is friend until it's not, right? I keep waiting for it to start going up because it just took out a bunch of liquidity and it's just not happening. So trend is friend until it's not. So let's continue potentially looking for some decent shorty shorts until proven otherwise. So shorty shorts are in play until proven otherwise. Is your hair so in your face that you... Was it a fashion? Oh, Louis. No, it's a little bit... So my glasses technically, I need to get them readjusted. They're technically a little bit too big for my face. Like the side. So if I lean forward without the headband, they kind of fall down, which annoys the living daylights out of me. It's the same with this damn earpiece. It will sometimes, like, you know, when you just have to keep readjusting it. So the headband kind of keeps my glasses on, keep my little earpiecey thingy in place. That's about it. So I guess it's fashion and function. Now, otherwise I tend to just, I let my hair do whatever the heck it wants all the time. That was a very big rejection off of there. So you got a volume imbalance over there, but that is all we have. Oh, so that's not an A+ setup. Gee, you are younger by how much? Oh, that's cute. Captain Crunch, just don't actually look at me right now. Don't even look at me. I'm upset. Keep them glasses on. Yeah. Oh, my reversal continuation cube is at 280. 24280? 24320. What? Damn, Jim. Okay, looking for double pullback. I should have been doing really well trading like that. Have you tried that method before? Reversal continuation cube. Let's see. Have a deeper look into this. Guys, you guys should see my damn notebook. All the things, all the things, all the things. I feel like there's not enough hours in the day to do everything I need to do. Should have made $1 million just now. This strategy for trading is going to be your own patience and discipline. There's no true winning strategy in these markets. I guess that's true. At the end of the day, look at that beautiful rejection out of that volume imbalance. I must say today, it actually has been respecting the volume imbalances so nicely. I hope it takes over into... I was looking at it now. I hope this type of movement continues into New York, because if it's going to be respecting the levels so nicely today, then I'm going to have a good day. I'm going to there, probably broke below. Come on, give us an entry potentially here now. Okay, so broke below here. Anyways. Most of the girls I trade have a great personality. I've talked to girls who don't trade and most of them are. That is hilarious. Oh, Louis, that is so funny. Rough, but funny. Oh my gosh. This, oh my gosh. We have an A+. Is it gonna come this far back though? Maybe not. Back, I wasn't ready! Back, I wasn't ready! Don't be like that. I'm back. Okay, I got my A+ set up now. Stay there. Okay. Let's check what this looks like on the 5-minute though. Hey! Okie dokie, this is a goodie, this is a goodie. Is it going to come back up though? Happy with how it looks on the higher time frame, happy how it looks there. Is it going to work out though? To be determined. Did mitigate risk slightly, that's fine. It is an A+, I definitely have 4 things actually, cool. So I said 2 cubes, 1 major high, 1 major low. I trade the internal range or the continuation of my 2 range cubes. I hope that makes sense. I mean, it kind of does. Might I leave some oxygen for the rest of us, please? I can't, I'm a waste of oxygen. Has no one ever told you that? Trend is your friend until it's not 100%. Can I ask, how did you get the screen to show trade 30% off the last thing? I want to do the same thing because my win rate is over 80%. I name this Fusion Ninja. Do I have Discord? Oh, I do have Discord. In the description below is a Discord link. So... oh, this might not come and get me, but... let's see. Point is, to get this range continued. Oh, I just hope it doesn't retest too much further up, but on the 5 minutes, good. See, I'm over-analyzing things again. So look on the full range, but I respected that range pretty solidly. Okay. No! Let's see. Maybe? Give me a second, let's see. What are your daily goals in the market generally? A certain profit target or just looking for a single good trade? Snippy, so sweet and simply, I don't actually really have a profit target, but I have a loss limit. But I guess a single good trade, because I do also have consistency rules with my funded, so I'm only allowed 25%. So my max can be around $650, so I kind of cut myself off at $600. So yeah. So I don't actually have too much when it comes to profit target, right? It shouldn't be about the profit, it should be about managing the risk. Sorry, I know that was very like philosophical and stuff, but yeah. I try not to think too much about the target. I try and think, how can I mitigate the risk with regards to this, and this, especially now because I've not been having the bestest, at this point I feel like we can say month, but anyways. Am I in draw? I am in drawdown, yes. Yes, I am. You little booger. Clearly struggling to break below, so that's not promising. But the sellers are still in control. TJ, Unox account spreads in what? TJ, what do you mean? Are you asking if I'm trading a Bulonox account? 30 is waiting for your zone, so last chance. What do you mean 30 is? That sounds so threatening. I'm so scared. Mr. Chaos, whoop whoop, well done. No, that's overall, Alex. No, that's overall. Yeah, no, not today. I haven't actually lost anything today. I haven't gained anything today either, but I haven't lost anything today. I have no idea. Is your text red on the Discord? Now I kind of want to go see. Oh, it's not. I see you. You're not. There we go. Just a heads up, guys. Just a heads up. If you guys do join the Discord, there are people that are scamming, pretending to be me. So just bear that in mind. Okay, let's see what happens. I feel like every time I start messing with this, it doesn't work, but it's fine. If this actually does this to me. Are you freaking kidding me? Waiting for that trade the whole day. Finally presents itself. It looks good on the 5-minute. Looks good everywhere. One candle. In and out. Missed 3 winning trades. The one trade I actually take that I get tagged into, it goes, haha. Try again. Bruh. Seriously? Yeah, it is. Maybe you shouldn't trade yours. So, excuse me? And just like that, done. Sorry, I'm not taking any negativity anymore. I'm so heartful of it. That's rough. I know, that was not okay. silent highs before trading into it. Well, being played, ouch, no, exactly. Ouch indeed. And you know what's so frustrating? I was actually looking at it. Did you see I actually drew this out? Let's see what this does. Nope, I'm actually not even gonna see what this does. Part of me wanted to see what this does, but I was like, nope, 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 nope. Trying not to swear. I'm trying to be good and not swear. It swept major lows. Leon, yes, it had swept major lows earlier, which is why I didn't take trades earlier, and then it just continued the whole time. What happened? Why? What happened? Did my stream do weird things? Oh, Jash, it's okay. Hey, what's up, Stan? Sorry, I see you did something weird. That's the problem. I didn't have ES's low marked out. Should start doing that. I used to do it. I stopped doing it. I actually don't know why. I need to start marking out ES's. Oh, wait. You know what this means? Gotta update the damn balance. Oh, 48971. Sugar honey iced tea. I feel like we now have to just start taking bets about if I'm gonna blow this funded or not. I'm starting to lean towards yes. 48.97. Wait. Just leave that open. 0.971. Done. Balance. Sorted. Let's see. Do I trade live with friends? No! My friends don't trade. Don't be crazy. Well, to be fair, I do trade live with friends. I trade live with you guys. I think it's because you disrespected the microwave, I'm not gonna lie. Gosh, that is microwave. How am I so cheerful? Any tips? Maybe I'm just a really good actress, maybe. Trained as friend until it's not right. Trained as friend until it's not. Anyways. Yeah, like I said, maybe I'm just a really good actress. Maybe I'm actually super miserable in real life. With the retracement earlier wasn't really good. Entry didn't press. No, Louis, I trade with you guys. Is that a shooting star? Not me. Oh my goodness. Okay. 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 Now I'm trying not to revenge trade. Future millionaire. No, I did not block you. You good? Hey, some guy. What's up? How you doing? We trade together like all the time, like 40 friends. Really? Louis? Like in person? First of all, you have 40 friends? That's wild. What's that like? I have like 3 real friends. That's it. Happy Tuesday, some guy. No, I didn't, future millionaire. What's up, Tish? How you doing? Oh, nice. Yeah, some guy I'm so heartful of. Anyways, it's fine. Let's do this. No, some guy, what the heck, man? What the heck? I'm so sorry. That's not okay. 3 friends, that means you actually pay attention to who you hang with. Yeah. Sniffy's just chill for a bit, no need to rush a trade. You know, at this point, actually, I think I need to just hop off. Because anything I do now is going to be revenge trading. Just, yeah, being honest right now. Anything I do will be revenge trading, indeed. So, I'm gonna hop off. I'll come back for the New York session. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, or whatever that damn saying is. Oh, thanks, Tish. Appreciate it. Leave it alone, it's in range. I said when it comes to friends, quality over quantity, always. Yeah. Like I said, 3 actually feels like it's pushing it a little bit, if we're being honest. There's very few people I can deal with. That sounds bad. Aw, thanks, Louis. I appreciate it. But like I said, anything I do now. So I did. Sorry, just responding to Nomad. Just wait for the morning and try again with half the size. I did trade with half the size. Well, not quite half. Shoot, I didn't quite do half, did I? I did downsize a little bit for this trade, so it's fine. I didn't lose the full amount. It's okay. I love watching the chat. I was so bored before. No, it's not. I'm glad I can be entertaining. A bit of a grumpy goose sometimes, but still entertaining. Okay, so it was a bullish inverse for value gap. I see why. Which time frame were you on, Hayes? When JP calls you darling, I can actually feel the rage coming out of you. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh gosh. What the H is the grumpy goose? It's me. It's okay, I'm down $1,000, so you're doing better than me. No, Matt, no, I'm basically down $1,100. So, well, not for today, just overall. New York looks good. Yeah, Jose, you are correct, but it's okay. I'm gonna then take a step away. Go think about my life choices. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Hey, he's looking at my chart. This here. I mean, this is the candle that tagged me in. So yeah, we had created the inverse fair value gap was where I literally got tagged in. So that doesn't help. It created that bullish inverse fair value gap where my entry was. Louis, oh yeah, there we go. You can see my tattoo properly now. Yeah. Hey, funny Kiri. Curl, I butchered that. Aw, thanks. No, man, that makes me feel a little bit better. Which platform? So this is TradingView. I'm using top 1 futures. I'm trading the micro Nasdaq futures. Using top 1 futures. I think I said that already. Okay, clearly I'm losing my mind, so I'm gonna call it. What's that dot on your nose? Do I have a dot on my nose? If you're asking about this, that's just a birthmark. Yeah. Hey LP. Bye LP. I'm going. Okay, you guys are amazing. I'm gonna call it there. Everyone else, trade safe. Have a good day. Enjoy. It's the all New York session. Okay. Be there, be square. I love you guys, Natalie. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. There is a Discord if you guys want to join. And yeah, if you guys want if you want discounts, my affiliate code is TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. That's it for me. I love you guys. See you New York session. Am I going to trade in the AM? Yes, I am. I will trade New York AM session. I'll be here at 9:15 EST. Okay, so see you soon. Bye, guys.